Hey guys, welcome to Vlearn.tv. Today we're back in another episode 2 of Scratch computer programming. So today we're going to teach you what is what in Scratch. So it's like what that green flag is about what that cat, what's the name of the original name of cats now. So let's find out in this video all of them. Okay, come on, let's go. So this is the Scratch desktop. If you haven't downloaded the Scratch desktop, please check out the first episode. Yep. So this is the Scratch desktop, and this thing right, let's start with the right corner. Okay. So this thing right here is called green flag. It's a green flag, as you can see. You can also call it green flag or a go. That means if you have a project like let's go to defense and 1 minute.
Blah 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 blah.
Okay, it will like change. Put this code here and
Wow.
see.
It started moving.
That's what the green flag is for. I'll just change it back. Thank you. Okay, so this place, this is for you to stop the project. Stop, go, stop, go, stop. Okay, this is for you to see in full screen mode. See?
Oh my god. It's like
So
a
you can
movie. It's like a movie.
And this is for you if you want to make it shorter, you can make it like that. If you want to make it longer, it's like that. Okay? So this place, blank background place, is called the stage. So the stage is where you keep all your characters, animation characters, any others, whatever you want.
Right.
And this thing right here, this cat, it's called a sprite.
Yep.
So you can change the direction of the sprite. You can change the angle of the sprite.
Or
you can also change its colors.
Even you can just like make it upside down and dance.
Yeah.
Yep.
So for example, this is the place where you can see the sprite. So you can delete a sprite and get a sprite. So for example, if I mistakenly choose a sprite, like I wanted this one, Avery walking, but I chose Avery instead. So I click here, right here, and press delete. And voila! It's gone. As I said, it's deleted. So this place is here where you keep your controls and all, which I showed you last time. Like how does this keep moving? Move. And this is the block place. So you can choose a block like this from here. I'll choose random blocks.
Stop being mad. I'm doing something blah blah.
Okay.
Take all out. Take all out.
Okay, it's my responsibility. Okay, so as you can see, that was a block area, and this is the contents of the blocks. So for example, you want to change the backdrop of your block, of your script.
And
you go here and you see next backdrop.
Yep.
Over here, you might be thinking, what are these costumes and sounds? Well, we'll show you right now, right away. So when you go to costumes, you can change the color of the cat. You can paint it. You can decorate it. You can make a sprite of your own.
Even you can make bat
and my brother always does this. When he get a cat, he immediately just. So this is the cat here. You can change its head position, whatever you want. It's here.
Yep.
Scratch has everything. It's just like coding. And over here, sounds. So.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That is the sound. So this is here. You want to go faster, slower, louder, softer, mute. Okay, it's already here. It's like a robot. Do you want? See, it's a robot.
No, stop it.
Okay. So if you want to choose a sound like my brother's favorite is this one. Adi, what is that?
Wait. And you go to wacky. And which one is it? And it is. That's one.
So he likes this one. So I'm gonna choose it here. And when it's this like
this one. That's that.
Okay, so we'll try putting the sound like this. Okay, So, and then you put a sound.
Place and then.
Okay. That's what happens. Okay, so that's how you do it. And over here we have discovered everything. So from here, let's see here. So this is where you can load. So if you want any project, if you last time saved it and off the laptop, and you don't know where it is, and you know where it is, you can go here from the file and load it from the computer. So you can make your, complete your game back to normal. And over here, edit. This is where you, if you don't like this, you can just restart it again. You just go to edit. Like restore sprite, okay? So if you already mistakenly deleted a sprite, for example, restore my sprite, see? So now she's back. Can you please? And now over here, as you can see here, here is the extensions. So this is music, pen, okay. So these are the extensions. So if you want, for example, Adi, would you like?
Lego robot? What's that?
Lego boss.
Okay, Lego boss.
Ooh, I know this. Have your device nearby to then begin searching.
Blah blah blah. Let us get out.
Oh no.
What is this?
It's like Adi, you actually need to. It's like you need an electronic to control a robot made out of Lego. Really? I'm seriously talking. I've done that experiment a lot of times in my old school. And over here, right over here. Okay, I'm choosing music. So if you want to play like when it moves. Okay, I'm sorry. When click. Now.
Oh my god, I hate it. Look.
This is called a backdrop. So if you want, you can make your own backdrop, paint them.
I need to make a surprise.
That means you can choose a random backdrop and make a random story or anything. And if you want, you can search a backdrop, so you can choose for your own and for your own design. And over here is like you can upload your own backdrop. So for example, you have for example, you're making a mermaid story and you want Ariel's father's throne. I haven't seen Ariel movies, so I don't know his father's.
No.
Ariel's father's throne and as your background. So you can, when you upload it in your computer, you come here at the backdrops, select the backdrop you want, upload backdrop, and then immediately choose the file and boom! The throne comes!
Wow!
I love Ariel.
I want to put a surprise backdrop.
Guys, please comment down below what is your favorite princess. Any.
Poops. Now,
And,
not that.
and if you have done any of this, and if there's more in Scratch, please comment down below because we all learn together. So we have covered everything here, and if you want, you can also take a tutorial. Like if you want to
Create a story.
Create a story, right? So let's watch this and see what it happens.
Oh my god, no, please. Player.
Let's go here. Okay, so they will show you how you create a story and all. See?
Please. Let's.
So they choose a witch house. So this is how you choose a backdrop
I got it.
and all. So you can there's tutorials. So if you want to create a story, you want to create a what do you want? What do you like to create instead of stories? A hero movie, huh?
Games.
Games, yeah, you can create games. A hero movie, you can create everything out of scratch.
I'm gonna put a surprise.
Okay, let's see.
Oh wow!
Wow.
That.
That's what you get when you do surprise. So choose backdrop. So if I want to choose a basketball course.
Oh
So
my god! The
this
cat is basketballing.
And what if I choose a backdrop right here? Oh, we can paint around.
Oh
it.
yeah, I want to paint. Okay,
He loves to paint.
Let's
So
see.
that's all for today, kids. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to share, subscribe, share, like, subscribe to Vlearn.tv. We all learn together. Bye.